Hi, David here of Lancaster Automart A2B, and here we've got a Mitsubisi Eclipse Cross 1.5 turbo, and it's a 2018 model on a 68 plate, as you can see there. What I'll be doing in this video is just showing you around the condition of the vehicle and some of the features. I won't go too in detail into the features because there's so many of them, we'll be here all day if I do that. But we'll just start at the back of the vehicle here, just show you the alloys, just go over the body condition first. So as you can see, no issues with the bodywork at all. I've got tinted glass on the rear as well, along with a little spoiler there and your shark fin antenna. Also got roof rails and, as you can see there, glass roof. Moving on onto the second alloy. And then onto the front, got parking sensors there on the front and headlight washers. Moving on to the next alloy there. They're all in very good condition, these alloys. And as you notice as well, there is a moulding all the way around the vehicle there, which means that stone chips and rust aren't as big an issue with these. And then onto the last alloy. And moving on to the boot. So we've got parking sensors on the back. Also got reverse camera there. And there's a tow bar, which is, by the looks of it, 13 pin. And we'll just open the vehicle up, just check the boot out while we're at the back. So it does come with a boot liner, this one, and you also get a nice big speaker in the back. So just underneath here, you do have your normal boot floor, and underneath that, you do have your tyre inflation kit and your jack just over there. You also get a little pulley style load cover. Nice and easy to pull in and out there. Close that up. And then it does have keyless entry, this vehicle, so we'll just lock it first. So I've got the key in my pocket. All you've got to do, just put your hand down there, press the little button, and it opens itself up. So just before you get in, you've got your folding mirrors button just here. You can adjust your mirrors as well with that. And you've got all electric windows all around, as you'd expect. Then just as you get in, you've got a few little buttons down here for your heads-up display. You've also got your auto stop start off and your parking sensors there, along with your traction control, collision mitigation, lane departure warnings. So just start the engine so you know it's all nice and healthy. And as you can see there, if it focuses, the mileage is on 10,789. And there's the heads up display just popping up there. As you can see, the Mitsubishi logo and 0 mile per hour there. So on to some of the features. I said there's lots inside this vehicle, so obviously you've got cruise control there, and you've got some functions for all your menus here, including some phone controls. You've got automatic lights, automatic wipers, and then over to the centre sort of control area. One moment, just gone home. There we go, so you've got quite a few functions to flick through. So I'll just sort of flick through these. I'm not going to mention all of them because there's quite a lot. And we'll just go back. It's quite a responsive screen as well, can't complain about that at all. You've got dual zone climate control down there, so you can synchronise them both up to the same temperature, as I've just done there. Then you've got a few connectors down there. You've got 2 USBs, and then you've got your little 12 volt charging socket there, and your eco mode as well if you want to save a little bit of fuel. And then just down here as well, you've got your heated seats, so high and low function. And you've also got a little touchpad that controls up there. A little bit easier to use while you're driving. You just scroll through. As you can see, it's me just swiping across like that. Far easier. It just works like a usual mouse pad. You've also got a manual handbrake, which is a nice change of pace today. We've also got 6-speed gearbox, a couple of cup holders there, and quite a sort of comfortable armrest, I've got to say, quite nicely padded. And then just underneath that, you've got a fair bit of storage as well in there, so it's nice and handy. And then onto one of my favourite features of this vehicle, you do get a split sunroof there. So we'll just open that up, and as you can see, the sunroof itself does open too. However, we're going to close that, don't want to get any rain in. And then just close that one up as well. So as you can see, works the same for the back as well. It's quite easy to deal with, quite easy to work out. But yeah, so if there's anything that hasn't been mentioned in this video, anything you'd like to get a little bit more info on, don't hesitate to get in contact with us and we'll see how we can help you out. Thanks. Bye.